The town's done a lot in terms of coastal resilience and has developed a coastal resource management plan. This project is very consistent with a lot of the priorities that have been identified by the residents for the community. Our landings are really some of our most frequented places, both by residents and by visitors.
We have raised the height of the road by about 1.5 feet over what it was previously to be protective for sea level rise impacts. We modeled flow through the system to arrive at this 5-foot by 5-foot box culvert to replace that former 18-inch wide iron pipe that was here. So a big increase in size that allows full tidal flow from one side to the other. The bioretention system behind me is gathering stormwater off both the parking lot over my left shoulder and the roadway coming down from my right shoulder, and treating it through 4 bays. You can see this small bit of, we call this drivable grass, that white concrete-y looking stuff. So that drops out the heavy particles first. The water then overflows that spillway into the actual bioretention cell, which is the flat area with the salt marsh grass popping out of it. That will treat the water both through infiltration through the ground and through biological processes before overflowing back into the salt marsh again.